Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. All right, real quick, I just wanted to show you guys the front here. So we have the touchscreen, works really nice. You just barely have to touch it, and it has 3 custom presets right here for softer stuff, just gentle pressure washing or whatever. Then medium for it has a little thing like for cars, and then if you want hard for like bricks or stuff like that, driveways, and it shows the gauge right there. Then you can also customize it if you want, and just click one at a time, up or down with these ones here. It's really convenient and super easy. So far, got it all hooked up, not leaking at all, no leaks. Works really good. It's pretty quiet, and I'm gonna just wash the truck here. So there it is, my friends. Very handy, very cool little pressure washer. Super nice. Everything's easy to work with, to adjust pressure, to put in the nozzles, to undo the hose, all that. Nice and convenient, well thought out. Just a good little pressure washer. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.